The Champagne d'Argent is one of the oldest known rabbit breeds. This heritage breed's history dates back to the Champagne province of France, where it was developed by monks during the 1500s. At that time, it was known as the French silver for its silvery coat and was prized for its pelt. Today, it is raised as a multi-purpose breed for showing, meat, and its fur. Champagne d'Argent are generally considered a quiet and calm breed with docile temperaments. They enjoy human contact and should be socialized from an early age to avoid any resistance when being handled as adults. They have an average lifespan of from 7 to 10 years, and they are generally healthy. Males are called bucks and females are known as does. Their young, called kits, are born pure black and begin turning silver gray at about 3 weeks of age and are almost completely silver gray by the time they are 6 months old and will continue to lighten as they grow older. The nose and muzzle remain black in some lines with black highlights on the ears. They have a moderate length body with well-developed hindquarters and an arched back. Their head is broad and rather long, with a round skull and medium upright ears. They have a dense, silky and glossy coat that lies loosely rather than being close to the body. They weigh 8 to 11 pounds at maturity. Champagne d'Argent make excellent meat rabbits because of their size, the rich red color of their meat, and their fine bones, which produce a favorable meat-to-bone ratio. All rabbits are prolific, and the Champagne d'Argent is no exception. Does are able to conceive at about 3 months of age, and their gestation period is about 30 days. Litter size is from 1 to 8 kits, with 5 being the average. Once a doe reaches puberty, she is always receptive. Ovulation is stimulated by mating, and conception nearly always occurs. One properly managed doe can conservatively produce over 250 kits in a lifetime. Rabbits are a low-maintenance, clean and quiet, highly productive source of quality lean meat for the farm or homestead. They are easy to process even for the novice, and their manure is black gold for the garden and can be used directly without composting and will not burn vegetation. The Champagne d'Argent is common throughout Europe and is gaining a foothold in Canada and the United States. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted.